Happy New Year and welcome to the CPA Newsroom, where we share with you important tax deadlines that you do not want to miss as a business owner. We're so excited to start off 2024 strong with you. As the first month of the new year, January is typically the month that has many important tax deadlines, so you don't want to miss them, so please stay tuned. The first most important deadline is January 16, 2024, which is the deadline for business owner to submit your 1040ES payment voucher number 4. Now, if you run a business and you're profitable, you do not want to miss this deadline because missing this deadline means that you will be charged underpayment penalties. To avoid them, we have prepared a video to teach you how to calculate estimated payments, so you want to watch this video, and if you have questions, please reach out and we would love to help you. The second important deadline is January 31st of 2024, and it is for the 1099 NEC form. Now, this is a form where you report payments that you have made in 2023 for your independent contractors. Independent contractors are individuals that have performed services for your business in the last 12 months. In order to file a 1099 NEC correctly, you will need to collect signed legitimate W-9 from each of your independent contractors with latest and correct information, especially their tax ID, their social security number or their EIN number with their name, their address, and the name needs to be correct and needs to match with their tax ID. Every year we get a lot of questions from business owners that their contractors went missing, meaning when it's time to file 1099 NEC, you ask your contractors to provide W-9 and they refuse to provide tax ID or EIN number for you. So in that situation, what do you do? Now, if this is a contractor that you continuously have to use them, the following year, which is in 2024, unfortunately, you have to tell them that if you don't want to give me any tax ID, I will have to start 24% of backup withholding. Example, if you pay them $100, every $100 that you pay them, you will have to take away $24 and remit to the IRS. And there's one form that you will have to file to report all those backup withholding, and the form is 945. If you want to find out more about what to do when you don't hear back from your contractors and you don't have a legitimate tax ID, you can watch this video that we have prepared for you for further guidance. In addition to the 1099 NEC form, there's another form that you will need to file for other business expenses, and that form is called 1099 MISC, or sometimes we call it 1099 miscellaneous. It is a form that you use to report rent payment. If you pay an attorney, any payments to an attorney will have to be reported on this form. And there are other kinds of payments in a business, for example, prizes, awards, other income payments, medical, healthcare payments, crop insurance proceeds, fishing boat proceeds, so on and so forth. So if you want to find out more, we do attach this form under the link below so you can find out more. Now let's talk about the deadline. Business must file 1099 miscellaneous to recipients, send it to them by February 1st of 2024. And you need to file this form with the IRS by March the 1st. However, if you file it electronically, you have all the way to March 31st. The next deadline that we want to talk about is all the payroll reports, and this is applicable for those who have employees on your payroll. If you have issued payroll to employees, you have to file a 941, which is an employer's quarterly federal tax return that's due quarterly, and in this case, it will be due in January for fourth quarter of 2023. In addition to that, you will also have to file an annual report, which is the employer's annual federal unemployment tax return. There will also be a W-2 that you have to file and furnish to every employee so that they can complete their tax return by April 15, and that is the W-2 form. There's a W-3 that you need to submit to the IRS, and the W-3 is a summary of all the W-2 forms issued. And one thing that you gotta be careful about, if you process your payroll using multiple payroll companies in the year of 2023, You want to make sure that all these payroll records are all combined, consolidated in one report to avoid any confusion and any duplicates. Now, last but not least, if you have employees at the state level, you do have to file quarterly state report, and it's called state unemployment tax return with the state as well. Last but not least, this is important, although it is not due in January, but I want to talk about it. For any business owner with a registered company with Secretary of State, whether it be a corporation or a limited liability company, there is a new important deadline for you. With the passing of Corporate Transparency Act, any registered company will need to submit beneficial ownership information, or we sometimes call it BOI, with FinCEN starting January 1st of 2024. Now, if your company existed before January 1st of 2024, you have 12 months, which technically you have all the way to January 1st of 2025 to submit your BOI report. However, if you start and register your company in the current year, which is 2024, you will only have 90 days, 3 months to submit your BOI report. If you fall behind, the penalties can go up to $500 per day. And these are all the important deadlines and points that I want to share with you in today's XUCPA Newsroom. If you feel overwhelmed, I just want to assure you that you are not alone in this journey. If you are already an XUCPA client, you can reach out to us. We would love to talk to you. Now, for the rest of the business owners, we would so much appreciate if you can like, share, subscribe to this channel, and you would share this video to another business owner who could benefit from watching this video. If you feel that you need professional guidance and you need the help from an expert, please reach out to us at 832-295-3353. We would love to talk to you and see how we can help. Till then, we will share more information with you. See you then next time. Goodbye.